Bird is a kind of something that's take you away from negativity and that kind of thing, you know. Bird is a kind of, you know, as people say, I find peace. Between bird and diving, fishing, yeah, I find peace.
So we're live in the 7/8 competition. The fellas and I'm organizing to get into the spot bird competition. Both competition running simultaneously. The semis went off first.
Right. I don't run for Yo, one day. Check 1, 2. With them and give them your support. Yeah? Let's get it good. Nice. Never mix up here. Let's sort it out, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. One. Cut it in. Second now. Don't slip. Bring it, son. Bring it now, mate. One. Bring it right in. One. Bring it back. One. I'm missing you like I call them. What the Mary again, son? Bring it. One. One again. Yeah, you cut one fast. Cut them fast. I tell you. Cut it. You don't want this side. Bring it again, son. One. Bring it right in. One. Right in. Top to my right. One. Yeah. One again. Yo, fast. One. Bring it. Top to my again, this one.
Get it going. Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah. One. Come on. Hey, stop it.
My first 50 is the next event, so you all can get to send register if you are paying money. Keep it fast, you keep it full 50 register.
One.
There you go. Come on.
Big up our cameraman Richard. Thanks to Bush, YT, Joe, Arnold and his crew. Some big Birdmen in this game here. We have people like Muslims, Mickey.
So we're here live with Rattan. Rattan, how you feel to win the semis competition, right?
Yeah, well, this is the third time I won for this season. Feel good.
Okay, how you know your bird pick form this morning to come and take this competition?
Well, I just put this bird in the car and started singing. It's been a form. If you are singing in the car and thing and you hold it in your hand and you're singing, you're not in a form.
We're here down in Killdeer Grounds in Rio Claro today. How you feel about the grounds and the setup this morning?
Well, the ground looks up here and thing, but You could have got better ground though, but better parking and thing. But we could have the arrangement, better off next time.
How you feel about the support on all the birdmen who came out this morning? I see the big crews come out this morning. How you feel about that?
Well, we just usually get all the support all the time from everybody. All the birdmen just show support all the time.
So where's the future of this bird? What do you think this bird going to do next?
Well, I'm hoping for the best. It will be a good one-pole bird.
So where's the number the bird maker again?
109.
109. Oh, no. So we just want to congratulate you again, Rattan.
Yeah.
Nice win. Nice bird.
Yeah.
So we are just talking to the winner of the semi-mates competition, Rattan, and we're going into the rest of the competition, BirdmanTT out.
One.
So BirdmanTT here, we here with the winner, the spot bird. Talk, how you feel to come out and win this morning?
Stress. Akobo pass across and
Yeah, I saw when he could pass across on the bird here, that was like the last 5 minutes, so the bird could have make a bigger number.
even in between it's twice he do it, and he cut off. Well, because he been in the house locked down for a while now, so that kind of startling. But God is good and give thanks.
Well, it's a win is a win. It's to come out first place. But I know the number is something that real men would be real happy with that 97. But
105 last time, and that 105 because as I say, the cage fall and whatever. He's supposed to make more than 105 this morning, but that thing when I cover one thing that will cause. But as I say, give thanks to the Most High and all thanks to the bird.
So what make Tug Life come out to the grounds this morning? Because we don't see him all the time. What could make you come out this morning?
Well, as I say, I love being around good people, love meeting good people, and love for birds. Yeah, bullfinch.
So, I mean, Tug, what's the zone you coming from? The zone you represent?
I come from far Princeton.
Princeton, so there's a deep south man, and this kind of any home ground. So how you feel to have this competition here down in Killdeer?
Yeah, well, very good, and so far everything looking real good. Yeah.
So Tug was one of the guys here, first on the ground here. Tug, where get this passion from? What make it this? You know what? I follow up everything. I'm coming out here from early to represent.
As it say, bird is a kind of something that's take you away from negativity and that kind of thing, you know. Bird is a kind of, as people say, I find peace. Between bird and diving, fishing, I find peace.
So Tug is one of the good ones, one of the good bird. He gave me a lot of tips in his bird game so far, and I respect him a lot, so we just want to congratulate Tug on the win. Tug, real nice win. I proud of the 97. I know it's not your score, but
I don't complain.
Circumstances, a win is a win. Yeah, man, Tug. So we there with Tug the winner of the spot bird competition. Let me see how the competition goes so far. Everything running smooth here down here in Killdeer. BirdmanTT we out.
Rattan, Hardware Limited.